What's up, guys? Welcome to yet another video, and in this one we are going to talk about the got funded account that we are trading right now. So by the time you watched the other video, it was in a drawdown. It was in a huge drawdown. We took some losses, and that was in BTC and gold. And today we were able to come back, a little bit from the drawdown, and that is what we are doing. We are making progress on our challenge about got funded. We are not yet where we want to be, but we are not where we used to be. So let us jump onto our dashboard and we see what trades and how we took the trades on gold for got funded. I feel like we are going to get back into the rhythm and do what we are supposed to do. So this is how you come back from a drawdown. Let us jump onto the computer and show you the trades we took. So this is our got funded account. As you can see right now, this is a BTC chart and this is our gold chart. So we are at a balance of 49,500. We would be in a way more profit, but it hit TP and we are out of here. So this is what we did. But look at this, bro. This would have been sweet if I had held it. I would have put my TP way down, but anyway, it happens in trading. We miss out. You are not going to be the one to get the trade from here to here. No. We always miss out opportunities. So I took only from here, this portion, and I was already out of the market. But it helped me come out of a deep drawdown. Do you know what a deep drawdown is? That is what helped us. This trade on gold, it is a sell. Most people say, I don't see any sellers in gold. Well, I'm one of them. I buy and sell. I do both things. So, yeah, that is what happened. And when you look at our history right now, of course, we took the first two losses in BTC, which were buys. We bought in BTC, and that was an L, $600. Then we took sells in BTC after that. And that was an L, $500 gone. Then we went ahead and took some sales in gold. Bro, that was a huge loss, 1,400 something. We were taking L's on L's on L's, and the account was, in deep drawdown. So we took a sell in gold, which was this one, and the account is coming back to life. That is how you come back from a drawdown, by being patient and waiting for the right setup. But bro, am I going to stop crying over this? No, probably not, but that is what trading is all about. So we are going to take you onto trading view, where we look at our charts from, and then you're going to understand. This is our chart. Don't mind all these. These are trend lines I keep drawing. You see now, like this trend line, you enter a sell here and you get some profit, right? I don't know what this was another trend line. You took a sell and you get a loss because the market went back. Because after it crossing here, you wait and then enter, thinking it will come back. These ones are key levels: support, resistance, support. Then we have another support here, and this becomes resistance. So these were the trades for today. Of course, we entered this on another account, but we didn't take full profit. We went out too early. I think I'm struggling with that, going out too early on trades, bro. If someone has the medicine for that, please let me know. But this one, I went out like too early, way too early out of this trade. It was supposed to hit TP like here, but I went out early. But let's take this off. Our trade for got funded was this one. Let us also take this off. This was our trade for got funded. You see, this is of course a key level, right? We were looking at the market. This was a support level. So we, the buyers, thought, of course, after here it was going to shoot back up. But even me, actually, I went in a position of this, thinking after it dropping here, it was ready to shoot up. But I was, of course, surprised with this candle. Huge candle. huge bearish candle to the downside. So it came, I was like, damn, God, what is this? Then it went back up and it showed me signs of selling. So I sold around here. And of course it paid off at around here. We got out here because I'm telling you, I have a sickness of not waiting till take profit. So I went out at around here, and of course it kept on dropping. So yeah, and now what do we see for the future? I think this is another key level. Probably what it has done, it came, it broke through, it went back, it retested. So we could see it going back up here, or not, or it could come back and, you know, go through. But we could see it going back up here, maybe. I don't know if it is going to, like, you know, come back. I'm not sure. But we shall keep an eye, because my type of trading is I look at what the market is doing and I enter considering that. I do not enter because, you know, I know what it is going to do. No. I enter because I think I'm following what the market is doing. So do not enter because you know, oh, like here I could be sure, oh, it has to come back. Like this one, I was sure it was going to drop because of this double top, and then it had to retest the level and drop. But I was stupid and scared not to take the profits out, but I took a little out. Anyway, that is it. So I would like to thank you guys very much for subscribing to the channel, for enjoying the content. God Funded is a very good prop firm. It is an amazing prop firm. I think my experience so far has been wonderful with it. Shall we get to a payout? The journey still continues. We say a luta continua in Latin. That is what we say, a luta continua. The journey does what? Continues. That is Latin. Yeah, that is Latin, guys. But I actually studied Latin, by the way. That is by the way. I went to school and studied the Latin language. So the journey for God Funded continues. I'm glad I'm coming out of drawdown, because I was going to shame myself, but not anymore. The haters are probably saying, why did he come back from that? No. Anyway, we shall take it slow. On a serious note, we shall take it slow. We shall trade prop firms, and next year is going to be big. Next year is really going to be big, because right now we are making final touches about the funded accounts we have. We want to be really good. We want to be in a good position next year, so that we start making huge profits. Leave alone the ones you have been seeing. We want next year to be bigger and better. Anyway, that is it. I'm going off right now to have some dinner, which is a smoothie. I've made my own smoothie right here, and I'm going to take this for dinner. And of course I trade other prop firms, but yeah, I think God Funded is really a good one. It's a good option. The trading conditions, at least I'm testing them. Leave alone me trading without testing the prop firm. This, I'm testing it, and we are still in phase 1. Pray for us to pass phase 1 and 2, and then request for a payout very soon. I don't want it to take long, but we shall do that. Anyway, people come to my inbox. Of course, they want to learn, they want to study. The 25 is still going on. The 25 students, we are still going on, because for me, when I take on people, I really want them to reach, get a payout, and become consistent, because it is easy to show them my trades and they copy those trades. But I think it is much better to teach them the skill, so that even if they are off my channel, they are off my platform, they can always go back into the markets and get profits. That is one thing that I want. And I don't know what to say to the people who are struggling. with prop firms. I think do not give up. That is one thing. Prop firms are real and they pay out real money, and it changes lives. Prop firms are so real. So make sure you improve every day. I know I don't tell you how to improve, but you have to write, you have to try your level best, find your rhythm in trading, try improving daily. You will get it, I promise you. You will finally get the hang of it. And when you get it, you'll be unstoppable. So I want to end this video with a thank you note for the subscribers and everyone watching. I will definitely see you in the next video. But for now, peace out. Bye.